how to turn on or turn off camera, record, stereo sound on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings screen, swipe up to go down and tap on Camera. Next, tap on Record Stereo Sound. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Next, you can tap on the back key to go back to Settings, or you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. So once you turn on Record with stereo sound, then when you are turning on your camera and recording the video, it will use the top and bottom microphone to record your video in stereo mode. Thank you for watching.